Bob loved his job as a mechanical designer at Acme Machinery. There is only one thing he really hated about his job: bringing bills of materials into the ERP system. This process is boring, tedious, and error-prone, and often results in inaccurate BoMs, causing costly errors on the factory floor. One day, Bob found a perfect solution to that problem: Agni Link, an easy-to-use program that creates a live bidirectional link between the CAD and ERP systems. With Agni Link, Bob was quickly able to not only create but also update BOM and routing data in the ERP system from within his CAD application, all with full control. With Agni Link, only valid data can be brought into the ERP system. Bob may also populate all of the CAD data he needs automatically by merely selecting an item number from a drop-down list. Thanks to Agni Link, Acme Machinery recovered its initial investment in no time, saving tons of money year over year. Bob's job was perfect again, and he was even offered a substantial raise. It can happen to you, too. Contact us and let us explain how. We are looking forward to hearing from you.